Yo, what is up guys? Today we're going to be removing the baffle from my Musarri exhaust on the CBR650R. A baffle is an implement that's inserted into the muffler to further deaden the sound. So this exhaust has always had a little bit of a rattle to it, and I've wondered why, but it turns out the bolt used to hold the baffle in had already been dropped into this part of the exhaust, and another one had been used to secure it, but that first bolt was just rattling around in there. There she is. So the microphone obviously will not be doing that any justice, but it is ridiculously loud. That being said, I don't daily this bike anymore since the Ninja 400 got vandalized in the city, so I actually can kind of afford to run no baffle because I'm not going to be riding this day in, day out. Keen to hear what the quick shifter sounds like with no baffle, which is the main reason I'm doing this. And you know, I'm going to try it out for a week. If I'm able to live with it, then I will. But if not, the baffle will go straight back in. Thanks for watching, guys.